What's up, guys? Hey, it's Brian, and we are closing out this year with something fun. We got something from Spray Gunner right there. We're going to do an unboxing right here on the camera. Recorded on camera. So we had to go to the actual post office and pick this up because I missed the delivery yesterday. Had to go get it today. Blah blah blah, all the things. So this is from Spray Gunner, and it's to BG. I got that spelled right. But I was a little worried about the packaging. I was like, this is a little concerning type of thing. But they have a method to their madness there. So let's get this slid out. They have it in an actual box. That's awesome. So thank you for that. And then it's like it was packed by Mr. Zachary. So far, Zachary, you're doing a good job there, buddy. And then return information there. So this guy here is sealed up nice and tight. It's got a little bit of slidey aroundy in there. But let's see about opening this thing up. Ta-da! And we use the knife away from us, like this, and like this. Where else is the tape? Oh, yep, right here. Okay, it's on this side. Slice. Like that, and then we'll do it again over here. Now this one they're going to go towards me, but I think we'll be okay. Oh, I did it at home. Okay, there we go. Box is opening. Ooh, what did we get? What did we get? I know what I got. I know what I got because I ordered it. Oh, first of all, look at this. That's awesome. Well, hell, that should go right there. Got some brush cleaners. Oh, this is cool. These are actually plastic, unlike the ones that are metal, because I think the metal ones can sometimes scratch up the inside of your spray guns or your air gun. But nice, made out of plastic there. So looky here, look at what we got. This is my Christmas present to myself. When we were in Disneyland last week, I chose not to do a lot of things like buy lightsabers and do all the other things, because I wanted to get this. I saw that they had this on sale, and I've always wanted this particular version. My friend John has one, and he absolutely loves it. And yes, this is an investment on my part, but it's to help me get to the next level. This one actually comes with 3 different needles, and that's awesome. So we can change needle sizes, so if we're going from clear to color type of thing. But yeah, so we got well, it's in German. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and slice this bugger open and see what we got here. Is that going to be good? Is that going to be enough? All right, there we go. You'll have to excuse the noise in the background. There's somebody's getting their tree trimmed on New Year's Eve day. That's dedication. All right. Oh, hey, look, a booklet. Yeah. Well, that's kind of nice. Wow, that's really cool looking. Things to know. Ooh, this is nice. All right, we'll have to go through that there in a second. Let's get to the money shot though. Oh, look at this. How James Bond is this? It's gonna shoot pepper spray in my face if I get the combination wrong. There we go. Oh, I got it upside down. Oh, that makes sense. Duh. Look at this. How about that? Merry Christmas to me. So, it's got a needle in the gun, of course, and then it's got this one here we can swap it out with. And this one is the 0.4 millimeter. I think that's the largest of the 3, if I remember correctly. This guy here is going to be the 0.2 millimeter, and then the one inside there, I believe, is the 0.15, if I remember correctly. But yeah, this thing is a work of art. Look at that. That is just beautiful. That's sweet. Oh, I love the colors too. I mean, aesthetically, this is just pleasing. And yeah, this is just awesome. So I tell you what, guys, Spray Gunner, I'm a big fan of theirs. I've purchased stuff from them before, and they've so far we're hitting 1,000. We got 2 out of 2 from these guys. Came quickly, came nicely, came well packaged. Our buddy Zachary here treated us right, so thank you for all that, Spray Gunner. And I want to tell you guys thank you for all of your support over the year and the previous years too. We're gaining subscribers and everything. It really helps us out when you do the like and subscribe thing, hitting the click and the bells and ringing things. That really helps us out. Mrs. BG wants to also say thank you from the bottom of her heart for all the great compliments and stuff that you guys give her on the videos that she helps out with. She has a total blast doing that, and we really wish she had more time to do that with us, but you know how things are, so it is what it is. But yes, we want to say thank you to everybody, and thank you for sticking with us, and we'll see you in the next year, like tomorrow. All right, everybody, take it easy. Have a happy new year. Hopefully it's safe. Remember, it's amateur night out there tonight, so be extra cautious when you're out doing your errands and traveling. And we'll talk to you the next year. Bye now.